Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a slow cooked shoulder of lamb with a garlic and herb butter. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. First we'll make our herb butter. We have some parsley, some rosemary, some thyme and some fresh mint. Just push them all together, give them a chop to make sure they're chopped finely. So now folks, as always, the recipe and how to make this will both be in the description box below. Now we're going to take some unsalted butter and we're going to add our chopped herbs to the butter. Then we're going to add a clove of crushed garlic. And we'll season that with some salt and black pepper. Give that a quick mix around until it's all mixed together. Now we're going to take our shoulder of lamb, put it on top of some aluminium or tin foil, and just give it some deep cuts so that we can get the garlic butter into it. So again, we'll take the garlic and herb butter and we'll just slather it over the top, making sure you get it into all the deep cuts. So we'll cover the lamb with the tin foil, we'll pop it onto a baking sheet and we'll bring it over to a preheated oven. Now because this is long and slow, we're going to cook it at 160 degrees centigrade or 150 for a fan oven. Pop the lamb in. Let it cook for about 20 minutes per 500 grams, 25 minutes per 500 grams, just depending on how you like your lamb. So about every 20 minutes or every half an hour, just take the lamb out and baste it with the juices from that's been cooked in. Pop the lamb back in the oven uncovered this time and just let the outside of it brown. Now to make our gravy, we've taken a spoonful of the oil or fat from the lamb. We're going to add it to a saucepan, and to that we're going to add some plain flour. Just mix that round, cook it for about 2 minutes just until it forms into a slight roux. Once our roux's formed and our flour's cooked off, we're then going to add some red wine. Bring it to the boil and then we're going to add some chicken stock. Again, we'll bring that to the boil, let it simmer for 5 or 6 minutes just until it starts to thicken up. And there you have your gravy. So now that our lamb is fully cooked, we're just going to take it from the oven and it's time to serve. So just pour the gravy into a warm gravy boat. So as you can see, this lamb is well cooked, it's brown on the outside, the butter has seeped into it and has flavoured it, and we've just cut it into slices. Now I'm serving mine with a Sunday lunch, so I'm just going to serve it with some vegetables and potatoes. But it will also go equally well with some flavoured hard cut beans or a nice salad. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.